Hey, Attorney Sharon here, your Georgia Wealth Wellness Attorney, here helping you to eliminate debt with bankruptcy, build wealth with real estate, and protect it all with estate planning. I wanted to hop on here and give you 3 tips of things you must not do prior to filing bankruptcy. The first thing, please do not pay back any family members or friends within 12 months of filing bankruptcy. If you do, it's considered a preferential payment, and the trustee will take that money back from that family member or friend and disperse it equally among your other creditors. You can't like your family member or friend better than Visa or MasterCard is how the court looks at it and the bankruptcy code looks at it. So if you pay back a family member or friend, that preference, which is a preferential payment, will be taken back from them, and they will legally sue them to get the money back if they don't voluntarily give it back or willingly give it back. They will sue them to recover that money, to put it back into your bankruptcy estate to pay your creditors, and it'll be equally divided amongst all your creditors. So it's important to make sure that if you have a debt to a family member or friend, don't pay them back within 12 months. And if you find you've already done it, then you need to wait at least until that 12-month window has passed. And I tell people, if you owe, your family members, I understand you don't want to just wipe them out in your bankruptcy. File your bankruptcy and you can pay them back after the bankruptcy. While you won't be legally obligated because your debts are included in the bankruptcy, nothing stops you from paying someone back after you file bankruptcy. You can pay back anybody you want after you're done. So if you owe a family member or friend and you found that you paid them within that 12-month window, you need to wait and make sure you talk to your bankruptcy attorney and let them know that, because the worst thing you can do is file bankruptcy and you find out, or the trustee finds out in your hearing or comes out after the fact, and you're stuck because you can't voluntarily dismiss a Chapter 7 case. So that's the first tip. The second one is make sure you don't transfer your name off any assets. People think sometimes, well, I'm going to file bankruptcy, I'll take my name off this house, or I'll take my name off this boat or car. You cannot transfer your name off any assets within 2 years prior to filing bankruptcy. That is a look back period. It's a 2-year look back period. And if you take your name off any asset, that is considered a fraudulent transfer, and the trustee can void that action and reverse this transfer, bring it into the bankruptcy estate for liquidation to pay your creditors. So please make sure you don't take your name off any assets. Now, you can sell things. You can sell something as long as it's sold for fair market value. That's different. But you can't just remove your name or sell something really low for, if it's worth $100,000, you sell it for $20,000 just to make it appear as though it's a sale. So be careful with that. That is considered a fraudulent transfer, and it's easy for the trustee to void those transfers. And then the final thing is going to be shopping. The bankruptcy code specifically states that you cannot, within 70 to 90 days prior to filing bankruptcy, if you purchase any luxury items, they are deemed automatically non-dischargeable. Now, the creditor has to raise the motion and say what you've done and object. But just understand, it is written in the creditor's favor. So if you go out shopping within 70, 90 days prior to filing, or cash advances, shopping and cash advances are going to be deemed non-dischargeable, and that debt can survive the bankruptcy. So we got the first one, we're going to say no paying back any family or friends. Second, not transferring any assets out of our name. And then third is going to be no shopping within 70 to 90 days prior to filing. I hope this information helps, and I will see you in the next video.